Hey everyone, bit excited here, new product launch. I've been looking everywhere for little silicone inlays and moulds and things like that were of actual proper pairs of feet. I wanted to make inlays so I could do my footprints in the sand type designs properly, and I gave up and I've made some. So I'm sort of half expecting that some of you might want some of these. I don't know, but I remember when I used the previous ones, which were ones just made from a commercially bought mould, which wasn't that good, everybody was after them. So these will be in my store. The things I wanted, and as often happens, if you want something yourself and you can't find it, you make one. So made and shared. Right, I have here something to just test them with, to show you what they look like. Just a little octagon coaster. Now they are quite deep. You get quite a chunkiness to them, as you can see, but that should fall within the space of this coaster, no problem. Some sand off a real Welsh beach. This sand is from Tenby. Now, the way I'm going to do this is just pour some in and then let the resin do what it likes over the top. Remember, this all originally came about because of the raindrop, what was it called, raindrop? Yeah, technique that T and Art had been demonstrating so beautifully, and then we all went a bit crazy with that, and then I had to go at doing little footprints with it, and somehow this came round to doing actual inlays, which had got nothing to do with the raindrop technique. Anyway, that's the sort of cycle it went with me. Let's let that move around. Come on, go on top of these feet too. You know you want to. Now there's going to be all bubbles popping out of this because, well, I always end up with a few bubbles in my resin anyway, and they're generally clear, it's not a problem. Now this resin cures in about 4 hours, which is amazing. I'm dead impressed with this stuff. See the bubbles coming up where the feet are because of the sand. Okay, I'm going to tip this little dribble into something, and I will see you for the demould. So there we are then, we have little footprints. Let's just get this one out. I did get a little bit of resin went underneath them because I did disturb it while I was making them. So I have got a little bit of an overrun there, but only slight. I think they're adorable. So those will be in my shop soon, within the next few days. I'm just making up some nice packaging for them. I will show you that in a moment because the first run of packaging has come off my Cricut machine. The set will comprise these and these. So you've got a set of 4, the 2 different sizes, and I'll do an introductory offer. The first 5 sets ordered will go out at £9.99. How does that sound? Right. Be on my website sometime next week. I'll put a notice out in my community tab as soon as that has happened. So if you want some, you can get ordering. Postage will be fairly cheap, even going abroad, I think, because it will go as large letter. So it'll be standard large letter post to anywhere in the world as well as in the UK. So in the UK, postage is going to be about £1.50, something like that. Elsewhere in the world, probably around a £5, I'm thinking. I'll have to check that out, but it won't be ridiculous. As I say, it'll go large letter post, so it'll be whatever that is. Right, see you soon then, folks. Hope you like this lot. If you think there's some mileage in it, give me a thumbs up, and if you've got any other ideas for inlays, little cutesy inlays like these that you'd like to see, give me a shout, because I'm getting a bit of dab hand at making the originals for making these from. So I'll see you soon. Take care all. Bye.